Here we show you the correct way to use a mask. Before putting on the mask, wash your hands with soap and water or use a disinfectant. Inspect the mask for tears or holes. Then stretch it apart slightly to give it the right shape. Check which edge of the mask is the top and which the bottom. Make sure that the correct side is facing outwards. Hold the mask over your nose and mouth and secure it behind your ears using the elastic straps. Squeeze the metal strip of the mask over the bridge of your nose so that it fits the shape of your nose. Pull the lower side of the mask down so that it covers your mouth and chin. Once fitted, try not to touch the mask again. If you can't avoid touching it, wash your hands with soap and water or use a disinfectant. When you remove the mask, take hold of the mask by the elastic straps behind your ears and remove it from your mouth and nose. Keep the used mask away from your face and clothing so as not to potentially contaminate other surfaces. Dispose of the mask immediately after use in a waste bin. After disposing of the mask, wash your hands with soap and water or a disinfectant. Protect yourself and others.